Hey folks, after a busy evening, radar quieting down again tonight. That's a good thing. We could take a break from this. As much as we've needed this rain, we don't need a whole lot more at the moment. New drought status comes out tomorrow. We're going to see a pretty big relief from what we've been seeing. Take a look at what's going on right now. Southern Hidalgo County, one good shower just to the north of Alamo. That's moving southward. More rain around Granjeno and Reynosa. That's pushing to the south. And stuff like this, little guys like this will continue to pop up during the nighttime hours, I think. Fingers crossed that nothing explodes and gets bigger like what we saw earlier. Take a look at Cameron County, right here in the southwest corner of the county near La Feria and just east of Mercedes. That's pushing southward as well. But I tell you what, there was some big rain earlier. The big stuff right around Harlingen causing street flooding there. 3.1 inches picked up tonight in the Harlingen area. Same thing as you get out to the northeast of town, just past the airport. Airport's right here, so a lot of rain out where the windmills are. 2.4 up on the county line, 1.7 down closer to Rangerville, so some pretty big rain there. Go to the north and you're looking at 1 to 2 inches or so from Raymondville back to almost Lynn and San Manuel. 2.1 right up on the Tri-County line up there, Kennedy, Hidalgo, and Willacy. And then go down into Hidalgo County, looking at about almost 2 inches in Progresso. Downtown Edinburgh picking up over an inch tonight, and then down around Granjeno about 0.8 of an inch tonight. So spotty stuff in Hidalgo County. The big rain was in Cameron County tonight. Here's our little trough. It's been there all week long. Kind of see a spin of the clouds right here. There's actually our disturbance kind of hanging out right there. That's responsible for the rain we've had the past few days. It's still there. And when that fades, here comes the next system. Still just a broad area of low pressure over the middle of the Gulf of Mexico, moving off to the northwest. It's about 360, 370 miles away from us. And during the daytime tomorrow, we'll likely see it fire up again and move closer to us. Hurricane Center says it will probably become a depression tomorrow. Could it become more than that? I could see a weak tropical storm out of it. That's a possibility, but it really doesn't matter. What this is a rainmaker on top of the rain we've already had. Future track tomorrow at 6 a.m. Still scattered stuff around during the daytime. You see some rain come through. Models aren't all that bullish on rain during the daytime tomorrow, but again, tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, they're showing some pretty good rain again. Then you see the spinning of the clouds coming in Friday, and during the daytime, all that rain moves in, and again, it'll be spotty at times. When it comes down, it'll be heavy, and then Saturday, more rain comes in on the backside of that. So the rain chances are with us all the way into the weekend. Here's the latest model run in terms of how much rain we're talking about. And the heaviest stuff at this point looks like it'll stay north of us. You see these colors really lighting up around Corpus Christi, more than 4 inches. But this is changing every run of the models, and it really depends on where the heaviest of the rain goes. Ultimately, it's a rainmaker, 50, 70, 60 the next 3 days. And I think, Friday may be the most active day, but late in the day tomorrow, we could see heavy rain once again. This is what the models do, basically bring it to the western Gulf. A lot of the models now do not strengthen it beyond depression strength. That's a good thing. Here's a look then at the tropics in general. Very active. Joyce formed today. Let's watch Florence, category 2 right now, headed to the coast of the Carolinas. Now the forecast does take it inland, but then kind of hangs it out right there in South Carolina. It's going to be over the Carolinas all weekend long, and that is a mess. Look at the rest of the Atlantic. 1, 2, 3 storms. Not worried about Helene, not worried about Joyce. Isaac, we're watching as it comes into the Caribbean to see what it's going to do in the long range. It's still a long way out there, so no concern anytime soon. So for tonight, 75, a flash flood watch continues. That's until 7 p.m. Friday. Rain and thunderstorms are with us. Tomorrow, 89 for a high, 50% chance of showers and storms, heavy rain possible at any time. I think the best chance, again, is late in the day into the evening. Temperatures in the 80s the next 3 days. Rain chances kind of go up and down, but not that high because it's already high tomorrow. Stays with us into Saturday and really all the way into next week. Showers and storms are possible, but the best chance looks to be centered around Friday. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.